Hello, this is Mojmir from Portun Immobilis. Today we are in Sovinjak, a village near Buzet. This picturesque village on a hill between Motovun and Buzet is known for the production of wine and olive oil. Here in the center of Sovinjak, next to a famous tavern, we will show you a stone house that is currently for sale. This charming stone house offers accommodation for 4 to 5 guests in 2 bedrooms, a covered terrace and a garage. House was built in 2007 on the site of a previous house. Floors tiled with marble, solid wood furniture and stone walls provide a traditional rustic feeling throughout the property. Now let's climb upstairs because we want to show you the rest of the house. The master bedroom boasts queen-size bed, a shower and breathtaking view of the hills. On this terrace you can host a larger group of friends and roast a lamb. Don't worry if you're not a great cook. Delicious food can be ordered from the next door tavern. Current price of this property can be found on the link below. If you like the video, give us a like and subscribe to our channel.